I hope you've seen my Vlogmas videos for the first 5 days. Every day I'm posting some new concept, guys, so I hope you really liked it. And stay tuned because I'll be posting Christmassy videos up until 25th of December. Today, actually, I'm going to work. I'm already a little late, so I was about to get ready. But quickly, I wanted to show you like a quick makeup tutorial on how to get ready for an office or a college Christmas event. So that will be today's vlog. I'll be getting ready and then I'll be heading to work. So guys, you'll always see me wearing something red, green or white because it is the season. I'm trying to follow the color pattern as well. This is a cute little red top and we have a black tank top situation going on in here. Let's begin with the makeup. I'll show you how quickly you can do your makeup for a Christmas event, and that's what we're going to see today. First up guys, a non-negotiable is skincare. Like you have to do your skincare thoroughly for the makeup to look nice and smooth. So if your skincare is not up to the mark, then makeup is not going to be that smooth. It might have like a certain texture, so we don't want that. Make sure you exfoliate and cleanse your face very nicely. Apply a very good moisturizer. So I went in with a toner, a serum and also the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer which I showed you that day. Don't forget your SPF as well. So first up, let's use a light foundation. So I'm going to use the Kiko Milano Insta Moisture Powder Foundation. I really love powder cushion foundations. I think they're so easy to use. They're so light on the skin rather than the liquid foundation. Somehow I have started gravitating towards this. I know the tier one, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, the TIR foundation that has come. I so badly want to try it. I also tried to buy it in Nykaa Pink Friday sale, but for some reason it kept going out of stock, the shade that I wanted. So I finally did not buy that I wanted to try because I think cushion foundation, not many brands have it guys, so it's kind of like a bummer. So, but I was very excited to see this one. I know it's kind of viral also, but then I really want the right shade. So I'll see if I can get it in any store, or if not, I will just purchase it online. Maybe I will go for 2 shades and then I'll see if I can work it out. So guys, since I'm not using a heavy foundation, I'm not going to bake or anything. I'm directly going to apply loose powder on my skin. Just a little bit. And for eyebrows, I do have the Benefit Precisely My Brow Eye Pencil, but then I am gonna use my eyeshadow palette. If you've seen my makeup tutorials, you know that with one eyeshadow palette, I finish my entire makeup. I use it for my eyeshadow, for my blush, for my eyebrows, for everything. I can use one eyeshadow palette. You really have to invest only in one good eyeshadow palette and you can create multiple looks with it. So I'll tell you what, the Benefit Precisely My Brow Eye Pencil is very good, but the darkest shade is soft black and I need jet black. But this is still good. It's a very good eye pencil, but it gives a slightly greyish tint which I don't want sometimes. If you don't want to use this, you can get like a black eyebrow pencil which I'm yet to purchase. Actually, I had one, I kind of lost it. So you can either go for that or else you also get amazing eyebrow kits. That's also very good. I had that for a very long time and I kind of like broke it. So I think I'm running out of that and I need to purchase. So with the help of a small brush, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows with a black eyeshadow. For major events, I do apply foundation guys, but then like if it's very like office or just for like example you're going to college, I don't think we need such a heavy makeup. If you want, you can definitely go for that, but my personal preference is either a powder foundation or sometimes like a cushion foundation. That does the job for me. So yes guys, I'm definitely going for a red lip because you know it is the season. Red lip is out there. Since I'm doing a red lip, I don't want to go for a very heavy eye look. It kind of doesn't match well. So you want to keep your eye look a little bit minimal, but also if you want, you can add a slight tint of glitter. That will look really nice. Okay guys, first I'm going to take this brownish shade and apply it all over my crease and the outer corner as well. It's not too bright, but it forms an amazing base. And then I'm going to take this creamish shade and apply it on my lid. Then there is this beautiful cream glitter shade guys, which I'm gonna apply right at the center. For applying glitter, always use your this finger because it applies really well than any brush. Make sure you blend it out really well with your hand so that it does not look separate. Next I'm gonna go for eyeliner. If you want to skip the eyeliner, you can do that. I'm going for an eyeliner. Okay guys, eyeliner is done. Once you've added eyeliner, always wait for a few seconds to let it dry and then apply your mascara, because if you do it immediately, the eyeliner is gonna smudge out and it's gonna look very bad. So we don't want that. We're gonna wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, I've waited for a few seconds. The eyeliner is kind of dry. Next I'm gonna take the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and do my mascara. I'm gonna apply it in my lower lash as well. add so much definition to your eyes. It looks really pretty. Look at the difference, how lifted this is. So mascara does make a huge difference, guys.
Next we're gonna add some blush, guys. If you have like a sort of like dull pink, muted pink kind of like blush, that will look really amazing. So you can use that kind of shade. I'm gonna add some blush now.
Okay guys, I've added some blush. I know it might look a little crazy. Don't you worry, we're gonna set it again with our loose powder. Now again, if you want, you can go with the highlighter, but personally if it's an office event or like a very college normal event, then I wouldn't add a highlight. I'm gonna slightly take my loose powder and tap it everywhere so that I can set everything in place. Do you see the difference, guys? Once you have applied your blush and then apply your loose powder to finish the look, the blush does not look very highlighted and it looks very subtle and nice.
So that's how we do it.
I already have lip balm on, but we will be applying lipstick. Okay guys, next moving on to the main part is lipstick. You can use any red lipstick. I've done a complete video on my top 10 red lipsticks. You can go and check it out. It's going to be really helpful for you to pick a red shade for yourself. But today what I'm going to apply is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Divine Wine. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks because it's a very classy red. It is not too bright, it is not too dark. It's just the perfect amount of red that I need. So I really like this shade. This is how the shade looks. Okay guys, this is how the final look turned out. Use very few products to get a look that is something between basic and glam, and it is so good for like office events, college events, even for normally going out. This is like a very good makeup look. I am loving it. It is so amazing. In case you're not a red lip person, then you can go for a brown shade. I think that also looks good. I wouldn't recommend a pink shade with a red outfit because it kind of looks a little off. You can either go for brownish, muted brown shades, or if you're okay with red lipstick, then you can go for something like this. Or if you like bright colors, you can also go with like the bold crimson one which I used in yesterday's video. I think, I'm not so sure, or the Kiko Milano one. You can check the top 10 red lipsticks video, guys. It is very helpful for you to choose a shade, and then according to that you can buy. I think I have mentioned the price as well, so you can check as per your budget which one you want to buy. And yes guys, I'm gonna add some accessories. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm going to head out to work. See you later guys, bye.